Welcome to Grade 7 Maths Session 21 video. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5, Geometry.
Have you ever observed the hands of a clock? The two hands are at different positions at different points of time as they move along the dial. The two hands represent two rays meeting at a point. When two rays have a common end point, they form an angle. The two rays forming an angle are called the arms of the angle. The common end point is called the vertex of the angle. We measure angles in degrees. To measure an angle, we use an instrument called protractor. It is in the shape of a semicircle. The midpoint of its horizontal edge is called its central point. The angle at the center is divided into 180 equal small divisions. A complete turnaround point is divided into 360 equal parts. Each of these parts is called a degree, to be denoted by 1 degree. As you can see, the arms of the angle can take any position. Say 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 75 degree, 190 degree, 245 degree. Depending on the position of the arms, there are different types of angles. Let's learn about them. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Acute angle? No, it's acute. Acute angles are smaller than other angles. An acute angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. All right. Right angles are larger than acute angles. Obtuse angles are bigger than right angles. They measure between 90 degree to 180 degree. What will happen if both the arms of the angle are in an opposite direction? Nothing. There will be no angle. Wrong. This type of angle that measures 180 degree is called a straight angle. Let's move the arm of an angle to more than 180 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Okay, what will happen if both the arms of an angle overlap each other? 0 degree, 360 degree. Yes, both are correct. An angle that measures 0 degree is called zero angle. When the arm takes a complete turn, then an angle of measure 360 degree is formed. This type of angle is called a complete angle. Let's have a quick review. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, zero angle, complete angle.
Different types of lines that you use when you create a simple picture. You can create a simple house, a sun, and so on, and you use the simple lines to denote these pictures. Let us look at the various types of lines used. Line. A line has no beginning and no end. You can stretch a line infinitely in both directions. Line segment. A line segment has a beginning and an end. Ray. A ray has a starting point but no end. Angle. An angle is created with two rays having the same starting point. The starting point is called the vertex and the rays are called sides of the angle. Related angles. An angle is defined as the union of two rays that have the same end point. The sides of the angles are the two rays, while the vertex is the common end point. There are 4 types of angles. They are complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and vertical angles. Now, take a brief look on all the angles. Complementary angles are 2 angles whose measures add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are 2 angles whose measures add up to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles are angles with a common vertex and a common side, but no interior points. A pair of adjacent angles with rays as the non-common sides is called a linear pair. Vertical angles are 2 angles that have a common vertex and whose sides form 2 lines.
Children, till now you people have learned some of the important topics in the chapter number 5 geometry. Okay, now you can start to write in your new geometry note, which is 90 pages long size untold note provided in the school. Okay, put the margin in the geometry note. You must write only on the left hand side how I written like this. Okay. Have you clear, children? This is the page number 1 in this new geometry note. I'm just written what are all the things till now you people learnt. Okay, this is angles and types of angles I have written. Okay, so next to that, here points related to angles like complementary angle, supplementary angle I have written. Then pairs of angles also I just written. Okay, wow. Have you clear, children, up to this? And then I'm going to start with the example number 5.1. This is page 3, 5.1. Okay, so find AOC angle. Children, look at this image. Okay, they had given AOC. We were to find the AOC. Okay, they had given the 51 degree and 46 degree, that is COB is 46 degree and then BOA is 51 degree. So all together we have to find, means we have to add the angles. We have to add the angles. Here you just take and write angle AOC equal to angle COB plus angle BOA. So you can write here 46 degree plus 51 degree equal to, you can add and tell me the answer. 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 4 is 9. So altogether AOC is 97 degree. Okay, very much simple sum, children. Have you understand? Children, next is example number 5.2. Okay, they are given the image here. Listen, look at here. POQ, angle POQ is 23 degree and then angle POR is 62 degree. Okay, now we have to find the angle QOR. Okay, in the last sum they had given the 2 angles, we find the overall angle. Now they had given the overall angle and one of the small angle. Now we have to find the other angle here. Okay, look at this, children. We have to find the angle QOR equal to angle POR minus angle POQ. Okay, angle POR is 62 degree and then angle POQ is 23 degree. Now you want to minus it. 62 minus 23. Okay, 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so now I have 39 degree. Okay, now you just do this, children. To check the answer, you just add this 39 plus 23. You will get this 62 degree. Okay, have you clear, children? Very much simple sums, this and all. Okay, so next is, this is the example number 5.3. Okay, which of the following pair of adjacent angles will make a linear pair? Okay, which of the following pair of adjacent angles? They are given the adjacent angles, two angles they are given. They are said they are adjacent. Okay, so we'll make a linear pair. Linear pair means if we add this 2 angle, we want to get the 180 degree. Okay, if we add these 2 angles, we have to get the 180 degree. Shall we do this? First one is 89 degree plus 91 degree, add means how much I will get? 180 degree I will get. So it is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. Okay ba. So next I am going to do this 105 degree plus 65 degree. Okay ba. 5 5 10 carry 1 6 1 7. So I will get only 170 degree. So it is not a linear pair. So it is not a linear pair. Okay, are you clear children? Now look at this 117 degree plus 62 degree. Okay, 7 8 9. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7 and then 179 degree it is coming there. So it is also not a linear pair. It is also not a linear pair. So now last one 40 degree plus 140 degree. 40 plus 40 is 80. So I will get 180 degree. So it is a linear pair. Have you clear children? Two adjacent angles add panni we will get the 180 means it is a linear pair. Okay ba. Have you clear children? இதுக்கு ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் 180 வரல, so it is not a linear pair. These two angles we got the 180 degree, so it is a linear pair. Okay, have you clear children? Next is I am writing everything in the right hand side of the note. You are also maintain the same. Okay, so example number 5.4, find the missing angle. Find the missing angle. Okay, missing angle we have to find, that is B this to this. Okay, I will take this one as a O. Okay, BOD is missed. They are given the AOB they given. Okay AOB la AOD they given, BOD we have to find. Okay so BOD equal to, okay straight line. This is the straight line. So straight line we have to consider as a what degree? 180 degree. Straight line means we have to take it as a 180 degree. So 180 degree minus this one AOD, angle AOD. Now you just write 180 degree minus AOD is 123 degree. Now you do the subtraction, 180 degree 123. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7. Yes, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, now I will get 57 degree. If you paranga in the 123 plus 57, I will get 180 degree. Okay, are you clear children? Like that the same this sum also we have to find the M N O. Okay, this only they are not given, no. So M N O equal to, straight line means we have to take it as a 180 degree minus 46 degree. So 180 degree minus 46 degree, what I will get? Anybody tell? 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Am I right? Yes. So 134 I will get. Okay so 134 degree. Now you do that 134 plus 46, automatically you will get 180 degree. Here also like that the same, 57 plus 123 you will get 180 degree. Okay, have you clear children? Very much easy. And then now move on to the example number 5.5. Two angles are in the ratio 3:2. If they are linear pair, find them. Okay, linear pair, this is the clue word. Linear means that is the 180 degree. Linear means that is the 180 degree. Okay so find the pair they ask. Put the solution here children. 3x plus 2x. Okay, that is the 3:2 ratio. 3:2 ratio. 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree divided by 5. What I will get? 180 divided by 5. Can anyone say? 5 3s are 15. correct? 5 3s are 15. So 30 how many times in the 5 table? 6 times. So 5 6 are 30. I will get x equal to 36. X equal to 36 degree. So here we have the 3x plus 2x. We have the 3x plus 2x. Now therefore the angles are okay ba. So 3x equal to 3, instead of this x we have to substitute this 36. I will get 108 degree. Okay ba. Now this is for this 2x. 2x equal to 2 into same 36 degree. I will get 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 72 degree. If I add this 2 degree means I will get the 180 degree as the answer. Is it right? Okay. Now the two angles are, one is 108 degree and then 72 degree. Okay ba. Have you clear children? Okay. Very much simple sums this and all. So next is find the measure of ROS they given. ROS. Look at this. Here QOR they given, POS they given. ROS in between they left the ROS. So or straight line வந்து 180 and the 180 minus this 2 degrees. 180 minus this 2 degrees we will get the answer. Angle ROS equal to straight line means we will have the 180 degree. Okay va. POR is 180 degree. 180 degree la minus 32 degree plus 26 degree. So 180 degree minus 32 plus 26, what I will get? 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 58 degree. So 180 degree minus 58 degree, what I will get? 180 degree minus 58. So 2 I will get. Okay va. 7 minus 5 is 2 again. 122 degree. 122 degree. 122 degree is the answer for ROS. Okay. Are you clear children? Very much simple. So next we will move on to the sum number. Example 5.7. Okay va. Find the value of x. Okay va. Here we have to take it as a what degree? 360 degree. Because இங்க பாருங்க இது வந்து மேலையோட முடியல. இந்த sumல everything, all the images, all the angles are completed in the up itself. So straight line is there. So we have to take it as a 180 degree. So now here reflex angle is there. Down la vandale adu per enadhu reflex angle. So reflex angle means we have to consider the 360 degree. We have to consider the 360 degree. Okay. Look at this children. We have to find the x degree. X வந்து எதோடது? AOD. Okay va. Angle AOD equal to okay va 360 degree minus we have to add this 3 angles. Anga 2 angles add panola, like that the same here we have the we add the 3 angles. 98 degree plus 23 degree plus 76 degree. If we add these 3 angles, what we will get? First add it here. 98, 23, 76. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 18, 19. So 197. So 360 degree minus 197 degree. So 360 minus 197. What we will get? 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay va. So here we will have the 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, are you clear children? Now here we have the 2 means 2 minus 1 is 1. So 163 degree. If I add these 2 angles I will get this 360 degree. Okay va. Are you clear children? Now the answer for AOD, that is x is 163 degree. Have you clear children? Very much simple. So children, look at this. This is exercise number 5.1. You can start here and then name, first question is name the pairs of adjacent angles. So adjacent angles, first you have to come to know what is adjacent angle. Adjacent means next, பக்கத்துல, like that we can say. ஓகேவா. ஸோ எந்த மாதிரியே பக்கத்தில் ஒரு ஆங்கிள் இருக்கோ that is called the adjacent angle. So here I have written the answers. ஓகேவா. The pairs of adjacent angles are like that you write and write it this also. So look at this ABG, ABG, okay, and then GBC. ஓகேவா. ஸோ இந்த ABGயும் இந்த Bக்கும் midpoint வந்து same. Okay, so adjacent angle means midpoint should be same. Okay va. Here I have written all the answers. So if you compare means, see this midpoint is same, midpoint, all the midpoints are same. Like that only you can do. Okay va. Now I am going to do the next is BCF. Where is that BCF? BCF. Okay va, like that the same FCE, okay, and then FCE, ECD, and then ACF. This is also the same angle, ACF. Here you can see that ECD, ECD, ACF and ECD. For this also C is the common. So again ACF, again FCE, okay, and then ACF, and then ECD. Are you clear children? This is the adjacent angle. This is the adjacent angle. Okay, so next is second sum. Find the angles of JIL from the given figure. This is also what we done in the examples, like that the same sum. So they ask us to find the JIL. Okay, wow. They are given the in between two angles. If we add this two angles, we will get the JIL. Can we do now? So angle JIL equal to, okay va, angle JIK plus angle KIL, KIL. So these two also midpoint are same, so it is a adjacent angle. It is also a adjacent angle. So JIK is 27 degree plus 38 degree. So if we add these 2 degree means we will get the answer what? 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6, 65 degree. So angle JIL is 65 degree. That's all children. Okay, so next is find the angle. This is also be done in the example. Okay va. So they are given the one big angle, one small angle. Okay, we have to find the in between angle. So idu full 120 degree na, idula idu matto 34 degree. Appo idu matto from ear to ear how much they are asking. Okay va. GEH is how much they are asking. Okay va. Can we find now? Okay, angle GEH equal to angle FEH, angle FEH, okay, minus angle FEH minus angle FEG, angle FEG. So these also midpoint are same, so these also the adjacent angle. So FEH is 120 degree minus the FEG is what? 34 degree. Okay, now we have to find the GEH. Okay va. So 120 minus 34, what we will get? Do the subtraction here. 34, 10 minus 4 is 6, and then 11 minus 3 is 8. So I will get the angle 86 degree. 86 degree. This is GEH. Angle GEH is 86 degree. இப்போ இந்த 86 34 if you add means you will get this 120. Okay va. Have you clear children? Okay. Children, look at this. Okay, this is your fourth sum. given that AB is a straight line means we have to take it as a 180 degree. Okay, calculate the value of x degree in the following cases. So x degree we have to find it here. Okay, shall we do the sum now? Look at this, children. This side I'm going to do that. Okay, totally it is 180 degree. Okay, so you give the 180 degree, and then this side x degree plus 72 degree, x degree plus 72 degree. Okay, now you keep this x degree in this side, so 180 degree plus 72 degree, this side come means minus 72 degree it will take. So 180 minus 72, what will come? 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, 17. So 7 minus 7 is 0, 108 degree. So x degree equal to 108 degree. X degree equal to 108 degree. Okay, have you clear, children? So next is like that the same this two. Look at this, children. Again the straight line, so you take it as a 180 degree. You have to add this 3x degree plus 42 degree. 3x degree plus 42 degree. Children, you keep this 3x degree in this side, so 180 degree minus 42 degree. So 180 degree minus 42, what will come? 180 42. Okay, 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 4 is 3. So 138 degree you will get. Okay, 138 degree. Okay, this side you have 3x degree. Now x degree you keep 138 degree divided by 3. Okay, wow. So if you divide means what you will get? Do the division. 138 divided by 3. 3, how many times 12 you will get? 3 4s are 12. Remaining 1, 18. 3 6 are 18. I'm right? 3 6 are 18. So 0. So I'll get the answer 46 degree. Okay, have you clear, children? So inge 3 multiplication la irukku, in the side la vanduchana division la poidum. So 138 degree divided by 3, we will get the 46 degree. Okay, like that the same these two, children. So I'm going to do this. Look at this, 4x degree plus 2x degree equal to 180 degree. Do you know why I'm taking this 180 degree? Because they had given this word straight line. AB is a straight line. So straight line means it is the 180 degree. Okay, wow. Have you clear? 4x plus 2x, what I will get? Both are x terms, so you can add means you will get 6x degree equal to 180 degree. So you will keep 6x degree and then 180 degree. This multiplication 6 this side come means it will be as a division. So 180 degree divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So you will get 30 degree. You will get 30 degree. Okay. Have you clear, children, up to this? Okay. So next we going to learn this 5th question. Look at this, children. Very much simple question. This is one angle of a linear pair. Okay, wow. One angle linear pair means we have to take it as a 180 degree. Okay, wow. 180 degree la linear pair irukka podu. So is a right angle. So right angle means how much? 90 degree. Okay, wow. So what you can say about the other angle? So one angle is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. Look at this, children. Other angle I take it as a x plus one angle is 90 degree equal to linear pair they said, so 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Automatically other pair also you will get that 90 degree. That is also right angle. That is also right angle. Okay, wow. One right angle irundhuchana the linear pair ah kuduthirundanga, others also should be right angle. Okay, have you clear, children? இங்கே பாருங்கள் ட்ரா பண்ணுறேன் 180 டிகிரி ஓகேவா. அதில் வந்து 1 is 90 டிகிரி ரைட் ஆங்கிள் இருக்குது. அப்போது அதர் சைடும் என்னவாக தான் இருக்கும், ரைட் ஆங்கிளாக தான் இருக்கும். தட்ஸ் இட். ஓகே okay children, now this is the sum which we done in the example. Like that the same we have to do this. Okay, if the three angles at a point are in the ratio they had given the 2 ratio in the example sum. Now they had given the 3 ratio in this exercise sum. Okay, in this exercise sum they had given the 3 ratio. Find the value of each angle. Okay va, shall we do this? Here they had given the 3 ratio. So first one is 1x plus 4x plus 7x. Okay va, equal to 360 degree. Children, look at this. In this sum they had not given any linear angles like that and all, so we have to take it as a 360 degree. In your example they had given very clearly it is a linear angle, so we just taken a 180 degree there. Okay va, here you have to take the 360 degree. So if you add all the 3x means what you will get, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So 12x equal to 360 degree. Then x equal to 360 divided by 12 equal to what you will get. Okay, 360 divided by 12. Okay, how many times 12 3s are 36. Okay, and then take the 0 into up. Okay, so x equal to 30 degree. X equal to 30 degree. Okay, have you clear children up to this? Now you want to substitute this in this and then find the answer. Okay, 1x equal to 1 into 30 degree equal to 30 degree. First one. Okay, second, therefore the angles are, you write it here, therefore the angles are. Okay va, so next is 4x equal to 4 into 30 degree equal to 4 3s are 12, so you will get 120 degree. Next finally 7x means 7 into 30 degree, 7 3s are 21, so you will get 210 degree. Okay va, therefore the 3 angles are 30 degree, 120 degree and 210 degree. That's all children. So next we just want to move to the next sum. I'll take the skip of the 7th one, don't want to do the 7th, and then 11th and 12th also we don't want to do. In this exercise I am going to complete with this 10 sums. Okay, so in the given figure identify the adjacent angles. Okay, any 2 pairs of adjacent angles they said. Okay, by any 2 pairs you can write. So I am going to write the PQT and TQS. Okay, one pair, first pair. Okay, angle PQT and TQS. Okay va, and then second pair is, you can write anything here, adjacent pair, UQR. Okay, angle UQR and okay va, PQU. Like this you can write. Okay va, still we have tried, no, this also you can write RQS and TQS. That is also the pair of the adjacent angles, but they are asked for only 2, so I just written the 2 angles of adjacent pairs. Okay, pairs of adjacent angles. So next is 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles they asked. Vertically opposite. Okay, ஒன்று மேலே இருக்கணும், இன்னொரு angle கீழே இருக்கணும். That is called vertically opposite angles. Okay, shall we do that? Okay, here you write TQS and PQU. Okay, angle TQS and PQU. Okay, TQS and PQU. Okay, next PQU, that also you can write PQU and TQSI written. Next PQT and UQR, PQT and UQR, this one PQT and PQT and UQR, angle UQR. Okay, that's it children. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles I have written. Look at this, one is upside, vertically opposite, one is upside, another one is downside. Okay, wow. Next is one is PQT is an upside, UQR in the downside. Okay, have you clear children? So next, the angles at a point are x degree, list of degrees they given. Find the value of the largest angle they are asking. Okay, wow. Like that the same in the previous sixth sum, x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 4x degree plus 5x degree. Okay, wow, equal to 360 degree. Okay, add all the degrees. For 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15x degree equal to 360 degree. Okay, have you clear children up to this? 15 only, no? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so x degree equal to 360 degree divided by 15. So what I will get? 360 degree divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15 24 times 360 degree. So x degree equal to 24 degree. Okay, wow, x equal to 24 degree. Okay, have you clear children? Now we want to find which is the largest angle. Okay, so this is 24. Okay, 24 into 2 is 48. Like that, if you do multiplication this 24 with all the numbers, means obviously 5 into 24 will be the greater. Okay, so therefore the largest angle is, okay, therefore the largest angle is 5x degree equal to 5 into 24 degree. What you will get? 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 is 12. So you will get 120 degree as the answer. 120 degree is the largest angle. Okay, are you clear children up to this? 120 degree is the largest angle. Okay, we have finalized the answer. We have completed the 9th sum. Now the 10th sum. Okay, very much simple children. Look at the logic. Okay, so from the given figure find the missing angle. From the given figure find the missing angle. Okay, they drawn the diagram here. Okay, wow. So they are asking, okay, which find the x degree. X degree means vertically opposite angle should be equal. Okay, so here you write note vertically opposite angle must be equal. So without doing any solvation, you can say me the answer. This is 105. This degree is vertically opposite to that 105 degree. So x equal to same 105 degree is the answer. ஓகேவா, இதுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் ஆப்போசிட்டில் இது வெர்டிக்கலி ஆப்போசிட் இருக்கா, அப்போ இது என்ன இருக்கோ அதுதான் இதுவும் ஆன்சராக இருக்கும். ஸோ இங்கே 105 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லைக் தட் த சேம் இயர் ஆல்சோ யூ வில் கெட் த 105 டிகிரி as the answer. Okay, have you clear children? Up to this I'm going to finish off this exercise sums. Okay, 11 and 12 don't want to do, and then I'm going to tell you now some of the objective type question in the same exercise. You can see the book and mark the answers in the book itself for the objective type questions. Okay children, look at this objective type questions. Okay, this is book page number 93. Okay, children, this 13th sum is adjacent angles have. Okay, we all know adjacent angles have one common arm, one common vertex, no common interior. So answer is third one. Okay, so next is in the given figure the angle 1 and 2 are. Okay, let's look at this children. Angle 1, angle 2, this are lies on the same line from E to D. Okay va, same line la or angle mattum cut aayirukku, so both the angles are lie on the same line, so it is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. Okay, so next is vertically opposite angles are what, equal in measure. Last sum la படிச்சோம் இப்போதான் நம்ம. So vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Okay, next children, the sum of all angles at a point is, all angles they given, sum of all angles at a point is given as 360 degree. Okay va, so now the measure of BOC. Okay, measure of BOC. Okay, this is the lies on the same straight line, so it is a linear pair. Okay va, linear pair straight line la irukku, so you just take the 180 degree minus, okay, two angles they are given, so 35 degree plus 65 degree. Okay, if we add both the degree means we will get, what you will get, 65 plus 35 is 100 degree. So 180 degree minus 100 degree, what you will get, 80 degree I will get. So angle BOC, okay, angle BOC equal to 80 degree. So third option is the right answer. Okay, have you clear children? You do this in your book itself, no need to write in the note and all. Okay, complete it. I have completed the exercise number 5.1 up to this. Okay, today's home assignment is start the chapter number 5 in geometry note. Use only pencil to write in it. Utilize the only right side of the pages for writing. Okay, complete the examples and exercise 5.1. So totally you gonna write pages 1 to 7. Okay, complete it and submit to your teacher.